for those who want to buy it. There you go. Okay, mabilis lang to. Ferrari does it in under 10 seconds.
Wow! Hindi ko na lang ulit na gano'n. Talaga hindi ginagamit. So gusto ko rito, siyempre vertical doors din. Sobrang pangarap ko lang.
This is a Bentley Bentayga.
Yes.
Yung Bentley, yun yung rival car maker in England to Rolls-Royce, just as legendary, just as
pero ito po, ikaw mismo yung mag-drive.
And look at these doors, ladies and gentlemen. They open the other way. It's called the Rolls-Royce way.
Ay, bawal mga kalapis kayo dito. So, this is one of my favorite. As I've always say, we don't just do this to help. We do this to inspire others to do the same. Hindi lang para mabenta lahat ito at makapagtayo ng mga dialysis and diagnostic center. Pero para mag-build po yung culture of giving at mas marami pang gumaya. Malay natin, madagdagan pa yung mga magbebenta ng mga sarili na sakyan para makapag-build pa tayo ng mas maraming dialysis and diagnostic center.
What went into your decision to choose these cars in the first place?
Sabi ko nga, growing up and being born in Sampaloc, Manila, siyempre nangarap ka rin. Dahil sumikap ako, una naman gusto ng bata ka, magkaroon ng sarili mong sasakyan. Nung nakamit ko na po yun, gusto mo magkaroon ng mas magandang sasakyan, nag-upgrade na ako hanggang nung nagkaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng nagkaroon tayo ng mga ganito pong mga sasakyan. At nung time na yun, siyempre medyo bata pa po tayo, na-enjoy naman natin yun, nagamit natin. But now, in my position, na I think na mas maraming matutulungan to, mas maraming makikinabang. I think it's time na mapunta na siya to good use. As I've always say, we don't just do this to help. We do this to inspire others to do the same. And yun po ang gusto natin mangyari dito sa event na to. Hindi lang para mabenta lahat to at makapagtayo ng mga dialysis and diagnostic center. Pero para mag-build po yung culture of giving at mas marami pang gumaya. Marami tayong kaibigan, kakilala na marami rin sariling collection. Malay natin, madagdagan pa yung mga magbebenta ng mga sarili na sakyan para makapag-build pa tayo ng mas maraming dialysis and diagnostic centers.
That's right. Thank you so much for clarifying that. Let's go one by one with the cars. So we want to explain to everyone which cars are being sold to raise funds for the dialysis center in Manila. But to appreciate, the value of these cars, pag-usapan natin. One of my favorite cars na, Rolls-Royce Spray. This is not, of course, this is not the Phantom, which is much heavier, much bigger. This is a sportier version of the Spray.
It's a two-door.
That's right.
Two-door Rolls-Royce.
It's a coupe. It's a Rolls-Royce, legendary, British study. Tell me more about this. Well, what did you see in it? Why did you want it for yourself?
Before I bought this, nag-start ako din naman sa mga ibang sports cars. Pero as you grow older, you want to have some comfort. Pero ito po, ikaw mismo yung mag-drive.
And look at these doors, ladies and gentlemen. They open the other way. It's called the Rolls-Royce way.
It's called the suicide door.
Suicide
doors. So,
because you're unprotected, kaya suicide door.
Ay, bawal mga kalapis kayo dito. So, this is one of my favorite cars. But now, yun na, swerte na makakabili nito at makakuha nito dahil hindi ko ito masyadong nagamit actually.
Which is good for the buyer because he's getting a car that's almost brand new. A car owned by Sandro Sosa.
Yes.
Okay, Sam, let's move on to the next car. Actually, this is one of my favorites. The color you chose, Lamborghini Aventador S. By the way, Rolls-Royce, if I'm not mistaken, the acquisition price is something like 40 million pesos, right? 40 million pesos for Rolls-Royce. And lucky buyer, whoever gets it.
Yes, super fresh, hindi ko nagamit. So, thank you so much doon sa bibili niyan.
Okay, ito naman, Sam. Once you buy this, you know that gold.
Oo nga eh.
It's the Aventador Super Veloce, which is like the even sportier version.
This is one of my favorite. Kung hindi yung favorite car ko kasi nakapangalan ko sa akin to. Oo, kasi this is
SB.
SB. So, when this came out, sobrang pangarap ko to. Oh, sorry. Talaga hindi ginagamit. So, Ah, so, gusto ko dito, syempre, vertical doors din. So, this is my favorite. This is my favorite colorway. When I got this, sobrang pangarap ko lang. So, me and my partner got one each. But now, hindi na namin nagagamit. But this is, at that time, was the king of the road. V12 engine. The last, I think, of the naturally aspirated sa mga Lamborghini.
The newly released Lamborghini, which is the
Vuelto.
The Vuelto is actually hybrid.
Hybrid na. So this is the last one.
So,
Collector's item ka, tama. This is a collector's item.
Super collector's item, swerte yung bibili.
Swerte rin kasi hindi ko rin masyadong nagamit to.
Pero touch move, so hindi
Oh,
na
okay.
okay.
Oo. So, yeah. Very fresh.
Okay, let's move on to the next step. By the way, 45 million pesos, more or less the acquisition price of a Lamborghini Aventador.
Yes, I think before mga 48 to 50 million.
Okay, so around 40.
Swerte ka makakabili kasi mas mura na siya. Para lang ibenta.
Appreciate it.
Yung iba nag-appreciate ito collector's item na.
So let's go over here to the left side, our left side, or right side. This is a Bentley Bentayga.
Yes.
Yung Bentley, yun yung rival car maker in England to Rolls-Royce, just as legendary, just as historic. Ito yung mga kotse ng mga royals of the
Yes,
United
yes.
Kingdom, of Great Britain. And you have the SUV version, the Bentayga. I think ito parang medyo Rolls-Royce rail.
Rail.
Something more comfortable, something more mature. What attracted you to this car?
But the story of this car actually, Papa ko yung gusto niya. So when we went to London, nakita niya, sabi niya gusto niya to. So, yung tatay ko po, sabi niya na, bili tayo nun. So, sayang lang, hindi niya nakabutan. Kasi nung in-order namin yan, nagkasakit siya, sa wala. But I think,
But this car has sentimental value to you.
it's sentimental. Siyempre, nahirapan din ako gamitin. But I think, mas matutuwa yung tatay ko na kasi siya nagturo sa akin na magbigay. Kahit wala na kami, yung last money namin, tinutulong namin.
So this is like a tribute car.
Sa tingin ko, he's the original SB Sam Versosa Sr.
He's listening up there. It's like, in legacy niya, it's like giving it down to the patients.
Sa tingin ko kasi nag-dialysis din siya before he died. So I think, alam niya mapupunta to, gusto niyang kotsitaan, mapunta dun sa mga dialysis patients. Tingin ko, yung proud siya sa taas. Matutuwa talaga siya.
Very meaningful car, and again, if I'm not mistaken, the acquisition cost of a car like this would be 22 million pesos.
Actually, this wasn't used even.
Parang as good as new.
Like good as new, kasi nga hindi ka.
This was really meant for him, so he hardly even used it, just except to move it around.
And I think, mas marami makikinabang mabenta siya at makapagawa ng mas maraming diagnostics.
As they say in the Philippines, fresh na fresh. No? And,
Virgin na virgin.
20, how much is it again? Around 22 million pesos.
Roughly.
Okay, let's go to another, kumbaga, yung tawag nila fan favorite ng mga Ferrari fans. And I know there are many Ferrari fans here who doesn't want a Ferrari. Yan ang dream talaga, no? Kasi when you're young and
The right car.
parang Ferrari yung iniisip mo, no? And this one, by the way, this is the Spider, no?
It's a convertible Spider. You call it a Spider pag convertible. So, this is a 458.
Let's retract the roof kung pwede, no? Let's show everyone how it works. This is the Ferrari 458
Tagal na ito hindi
Spider.
nagamit actually. So,
One of Ferrari's most popular models. But this particular model size is hard to get because it's the open top version.
and also, this is one of the last naturally aspirated Ferraris.
Because as you know, Ferrari is moving into electric territory, so
yung mga purists, they want this car.
it's like the Lamborghini beside it.
Mhm.
Last of its kind for Ferrari. So what Sam is going to do is going to demonstrate the retractable roof of the Spider. You know, when you drive a Ferrari, you want to feel the wind in your hair. And you want to hear the sound of the engine. But whenever we do that, if I retracting the roof, no pressure sa
Okay. I forgot na how eh. Ayun.
only means one thing, hindi na ginagamit, no? Which is good. Good news for those who want to buy it. There you go. Okay, mabilis lang to. Ferrari does it in under 10 seconds.
Wow. Hindi ko na lang ulit na gano'n.
Parang busy kaya ka, Sam.
Ha?
Parang you've been so busy in the past years.
Super.
You have little time to enjoy your cars, your toys. So a good decision to actually raise funds in